Hi guys, welcome back. All right, we've just pulled over here. We are in Yarrow, just outside of Chilliwack and Cultus Lake, and that's where we're going camping this weekend. We have a spot at Delta Grove. Sadly, it's rainy again, cloudy again, stormy again, but yeah, hopefully the weather will hold off enough that we can enjoy ourselves. We have a really nice spot right on the water. Wish us luck, and we're gonna go get set up. So yeah, we're here. We're in site 35 now, and we are all set up. They're expecting a little bit of rain, so we put the canopy out this time too. And we have a beautiful spot. So nice. We got our chairs all set up here under the awning, and look at this, right on the lake. It's really too bad that it's going to be probably pretty rainy this weekend, but still, wow, look at that. Our own personal private beach. It's a little bit chilly out, but you can't beat that view for dinner. We're gonna start the fire soon. Sam's having his spaghetti as well. Good morning. All right, Saturday morning. We just woke up, well, about an hour ago. It's 8 o'clock now, and I've got my coffee. I'm sitting out here. It's very peaceful, very quiet, chilly, but not too bad. We were warm last night. So far, no rain. I think they're calling for it later this afternoon, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we still got our canopy and everything up, so we can sit outside still and have another fire again. And yeah, we'll see what the day brings. All right, we're all set. We are going to have a Greek dinner tonight. We've got chicken and lamb, kebabs, and we've got veggie kebabs, and we're going to do some pitas, make some wraps. Should be pretty yummy. Well, it's time to go to bed now. We had a lovely day today. We did all sorts of fun things, and now we can hear the rain outside, and we're ready for bed, and we're going to have another good night's sleep. We'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. All right, we've woken up to a major rainstorm. We knew it was coming, and thankfully it held off yesterday. We had a really nice day yesterday, and we even had some sunny breaks, but yeah, overnight the rain started, and it is coming down like crazy. And unfortunately, when we put the awning up, I put the awning up, I didn't put one of the sides down lower like you're supposed to do, so all the water runs off. I thought I did, but it wasn't enough anyways. So this morning I came out and it was pooling. So I just had to lower that end of the awning, and a ton of water came out. So hopefully it didn't stretch the awning too much and put too much weight on anything. Yeah, lesson learned again. Got to be diligent, especially if you're expecting a lot of rain. So the rain is just coming down like crazy on the lake. Very, very low cloud. And we're just going to finish up our camping trip here. Put the rest of our stuff away, take it easy this morning, and then head out in a couple hours. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining us again. Bye, everybody.